my magical beautiful beings, my name is Alfred Mystic. In this video we're gonna talk about the tarot cards. If you are a beginner, this video is perfect for you. If you are not, also perfect for you because I'm gonna share some tips not everyone knows. What are the cards? Cards is a tool to connect to the divine, to your originality and to our unconscious. Through this tool we connect to any type of information, to any type of energy you want. In the deck we have 78 cards. 22 of them are called major arcana, so these are the characters: the Fool, the Magician, the High Priest, the World, the Destruction, Death. For example, the Sun, the energy of wealth, of abundance, of warmth, yellow, white, red, orange color. It's about the expansion, it's about leadership. The Sun is the center of our solar system. Everyone is moving around the Sun. Same with us. And through the cards you can discover yourself. If you feel that you resonate with some of the cards, that's the sign that you have it within. If you are an artist, if your mind is creative, then it's easy for you to understand the images, the patterns, the pictures. It's like being in a museum. You just look at the painting and you understand what's happening. You don't need to read the description. You just know. Because why? As a creative mind, as a person who creates something, you already learned the details, the shapes. You know how to put it together, the complexity of the energies. You copy something as a little child, when you start to draw, for example, you copy things. You can't draw something from your mind because you just need to gather more information, new shapes, more colors, and then in time, when you grow up, you will be able already to create your own stuff. Same with the cards. At first, we need to learn. We need to understand the shapes. I do readings for 4 years already. When I started, I didn't have a book, and these cards came into my life kind of by accident through another person. Also, if you heard that you have to get a tarot card through someone, no. I'm the child of chaos and my energies are chaotic, so everything about the structure is, let me be free. If I want to buy a deck, I will go and buy it. So, limitations, with the limitations. Also, if you're buying your first deck, which one to choose? I'll suggest you to feel the cards, Google different decks and just see which one you like more, because if it doesn't resonate, you won't understand it. And this is what is happening. This is so common when people buy a deck that is really doesn't make them excited. You have to be excited. You're like, oh, I love these images, like everything, like the energy. This deck is my favorite. I have 3 of them, but mostly when I work with people, and even for myself, I use this one. This one is called Dark Grimoire. People mostly buy the classic. I just need to feel it. I am a passionate being, I am expressive, and I need a face, I need a emotion, I need a feeling, I need all these elements. Really, these cards, they're just so expressive. The classic one for me is just, I see the depth, but where is the emotion? I don't want to see the cards and just, this is what it means. No, I need to really connect and communicate. It's so personal. That's why I am saying that you should connect. Don't buy the stuff that people are always telling you to buy, because we all are different. Some will say that, oh, I can't have something like this because I can't figure out the energies, but I need something classical. Good for you. If you really feel them, if you really connect and you can communicate with what you see with the reading, because this is the main purpose. With this beautiful tool, we want to reveal the answers. We have questions. This is your connection with this magical tool. And every reader will have a personal idea of a reading. If someone will send me pictures, I won't read them because you did it. The cards speak with you, so it's a personal message. Because my idea of your reading will be different, because we have a different idea of the energy. For someone, a card will mean something evil, something bad, negative. For me, it will be positive. So that's why it's a personal connection. I'll give you a tip. We can charge our cards and we can close them so the energies that are running through the whole deck, through the all 78 cards, act as a book, as a closed book that is the representation of a complete information, the union of energies. So if you want to manifest something, if you want to attract more of, for example, wealth or love, then you take the cards, 2 cards that represent something you want to attract. For example, you want love. We're looking for the lovers. 6th card, we are taking love and strength. You have these 2 cards and you close them from both sides. So this is love from one side, and from another side we put this card, the strength, like this, so it's closed. Not in this direction, because this is how the energy flow from the deck. If you want to activate the portal in your environment, in your room, if you have an altar, then just put the deck like this, so then all the flow of this main card goes around your environment and fills the space. If you want to program the deck for your specific manifestation, then okay, we are closing it. Now, from both sides, it looks like a book, and the energies are running through every card. This is a focused program with the energies that you want to attract. So we said love and we said strength, and you can even say it out loud that love and strength, this is what I am attracting into my life. Let the love that I express and that I attract be strong, be powerful, be intense. I irradiate and I attract strong love. I receive love from the universe as a strong being, as a confident being, as a brave being that is full of courage. I know that love is something, the heart energy is something that will make me even stronger, that will add the protection, the immunity around my energy. Say it how you feel, always in the moment, always in the present. This is how you program the deck to work with you. This is the union. While you are doing your own stuff, this idea of a closed book is running the energy through all the cards to manifest. They support you. Also, sometimes you have to cleanse the deck, especially if you work with people and if they touch your cards, you have to cleanse your card. I never give people to touch my cards. I'm just showing them, okay, this is what you have, because this is a personal tool. Only I can touch it. You can cleanse it with sage stick and also say that I cleanse the deck. It's not like the energies are becoming weak in time. No, they're not. They are the portals that are working 24/7. It's just for your mind. For your mind, that you know that the energy is clean, it's pure, it's mine. There is no influence, because when you connect to another person, when I connect to another person, I say that I'm connecting to that type of person. This is his name, this is her surname, this is her date of birth, and we are connecting to her to reveal the answers, to help her, to guide her. So the card in the moment is programmed to connect to the person I am working with, and then I am disconnecting. I say that we return back to my energy, to the pure energy. We are disconnecting from the person. Welcome back home. Also, you can cleanse it with the salt. You can put your deck in the salt. I have this one beautiful bag that I made myself, and when you created it yourself, this is the connection. This is how you show these energies that you care about what you do, you care about this practice, because you're practicing. And also, as I mentioned at the beginning, I didn't read from the internet, like what is the meaning of this card, when I had my first readings, because as I said, I understood this deck from the first second. I just knew what's happening here. Few times I decided to recheck, and it was the same information as I just revealed. It was even better than online. So again, listen to your intuition, listen to your heart, and really spend some time to watch, to explore every card. That's the beauty, that every time you will find something else, because every question is different and every reading is different, even if the cards are the same. And then in time you understand that this magical tool allows you to evolve. This is self-education, this is devotion, this is self-mastery. You master yourself through the cards. Also, I don't read reversed cards. For me, this is a painting. You don't go into a museum and stare at the reversed paintings. You will think that something is not right here. Can we just change the position? Yeah, now it makes sense, now I see. People who read reversed cards see it as a negative, as the opposite. I don't do this because I know that there is, in this whole deck, the representation of that energy. So I don't have to read them reversely. Thank you so much, my magical, beautiful beings, for being here with us. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried to read the cards, or if you're planning to buy your first deck. Let me know in the comments. I love you so much, and we're sending you all our love. We love you. Mwah!